Suva, Coronia low, where the ocean breezes set out a KO. From Noqu Bay to the city lights, there are Matuna bogey shining bright. Morning sun, they come be mine. Students walking, dreams so high. West because church bells ring, hoping every song we sing. Beautiful people, smiling faces, different stories, different places, but one heartbeat, we move as one under the Suva sun. Isaleo money eco, the city where my roots grow. From the market to Albert Park, you can feel it in your heart. Suva, Noqu, Suva, where beautiful people meet. Laughter on the streets, dancing to the island beat. Suva, Noqu, Suva, life is sweet and free. School days, love and unity, full of vibes eternally. Tourists strolling down Victoria Parade, capturing moments that will never fade. Tapu lights and city sound, island rhythm all around. From the highlands to the shore, bond was strong forevermore. Cultural nights make it fire, voices rising higher and higher. After class we gather round, sharing stories, joyful sound. Kava flowing, talano along, every night becomes a song. Isalei alomani iko, no place I'd rather go. Through sunshine and through rain, Suva runs inside my veins. Suva, Noqu, Suva, where beautiful people meet. Laughter on the streets, dancing to the island beat. Suva, Noqu, Suva, life is sweet and free. Tourism and harmony, island hospitality. When the rain falls on the tin roof and the harbor turns to gray, still the warmth inside the people chases every cloud away. Noqu vanua, Noqu bula, you're the story of my life through every season changing. You're my strength, my guiding light. Suva, Noqu, Suva, where beautiful people meet. Young hearts chasing dreams to the sound of island.